Welcome to Best Buying Report. The best infant optics is probably one of the most crucial investments a new parent can make, offering peace of mind and a vital connection to their little one even when they're not in the same room. This advanced baby monitor technology goes beyond simple audio, providing crystal clear video, secure transmission, and features designed to simplify the already complex world of early childhood care. It's about ensuring your baby's safety and comfort while allowing you the freedom to attend to other tasks or simply get a much-needed moment of rest, knowing you can check in anytime. Number 5. Infant Optics DXR8 Video Baby Monitor. Experience unparalleled clarity with our advanced 480p video resolution. See every detail of your little one, day or night. Rest assured with our hack-proof FHSS connection, ensuring your private moments remain just that, private. Enjoy a secure link to your baby's room. This monitor grows with your child, thanks to its interchangeable lens system. Easily switch between wide-angle, zoom, and standard views to suit any situation. With pan, tilt, and zoom capabilities, you can effortlessly scan the entire nursery. Keep an eye on your baby no matter where they are in the room. The integrated LED sound bar provides a gentle visual cue for noise levels. It also offers a soft glow, perfect for creating a calming environment. Our advanced night vision technology allows you to see your baby clearly even in complete darkness. No need to disturb their sleep with lights. Communicate with your baby from anywhere in the house using the two-way talk feature. Soothe them with your voice when they need you most. What we like? This monitor offers a secure, hack-proof connection with FHSS technology. Its interchangeable lenses allow you to customize the view, and pan, tilt, and zoom features give you full control. If you prioritize security and flexibility in your baby monitoring, this is the one to consider. What people say. Infant Optic is a great product for babies. The product is easy to use and set up. It has a long battery life. Number 4. GUCHO Adjustable Baby Monitor Floor Stand. This stand is designed to work with most baby monitors on the market, including popular brands like Infant Optics, Hello Baby, Nanit, and VTech. It also fits any camera with a standard 1/4 screw mount. Easily adjust the height and angle of your camera to get the perfect view of your little one. This flexible stand bends and moves to ensure you never miss a moment. Unlike mounts that attach to cribs, this floor stand keeps your camera safely out of your baby's reach. It's a more secure option, preventing accidental falls and injuries. With an adjustable height range from 17 to 60 inches, you can position the camera exactly where you need it. The flexible gooseneck arm allows for easy, precise adjustments. Set up your monitor quickly without any drilling or screws. This stand is designed for convenient installation and disassembly, making it perfect for any nursery. What we like? This accessory provides a safe and versatile mounting solution for your baby monitor. Its floor-standing design keeps it out of reach, and the adjustable height ensures the perfect viewing angle. If you're looking for a secure, flexible, and easy-to-position monitor mount that works with many brands, this is an excellent choice. What people say. Uses a 1/4 to 20 screw to mount into a camera. I use it with the Ubiquiti G4 Instant to record monitor my child sleeping. Works great. Very sturdy and holds the camera well. This allows the monitor to be secure and pointed exactly where you need it. No need to go by a shelf or screw something in the wall. My favorite part is that it still makes the monitor easy to move or take off and carry with you, when leaving on vacation or something. It was packaged nicely and easy to get started to use. Fits most cameras. I have one that is a no-name Amazon monitor and it fit perfectly. Feels super sturdy and easy to adjust. Number 3. Infant Optics DXR8 Pro Monitor. Introducing the Infant Optics DXR8 Pro Monitor, designed for your peace of mind. This standalone unit offers reliable monitoring for your little one. Experience crystal clear vision with our advanced camera technology. You can keep an eye on your baby from anywhere in your home. Enjoy a secure and private connection, ensuring your conversations stay between you and your baby. No interference, just peace of mind. Setting up is a breeze with this monitor. Simply plug it in and you're ready to go, providing instant monitoring capabilities. This is the essential monitoring solution you've been looking for. It provides the core features you need to stay connected to your child. Please note that the battery is not included with this standalone monitor. You will need to provide your own compatible battery. What we like. This is a replacement monitor unit specifically for the DXR8 Pro model. It's ideal if your existing Pro monitor has been damaged or lost. If you own the DXR8 Pro and need a new monitor unit to complete your setup, this is the perfect fit. What people say. Plug and play every time. Pairing the new monitor with our existing Infant Optics cameras was quick and easy. The connection is strong, the video quality is just as clear as before, and we're back to monitoring both kids without any interruptions. Battery life is solid, and all the familiar controls work just as expected. Instantly compatible with existing DXR8 cameras. Great video and audio quality. Easy setup and reliable performance. Number 2. Infant Optics DXR8 Replacement Battery. This is the official replacement battery specifically designed for your Infant Optics DXR8 video baby monitor. Ensure you have the original DXR8 model before purchasing. Please be aware that this battery is exclusively for the original DXR8 model. It will not function with any Pro models. Double-check your monitor's model to ensure compatibility. As an official Infant Optics accessory, using this battery will not void your DXR8's warranty. Protect your investment with genuine parts. Using non-official batteries can have incorrect technical specifications, potentially voiding your DXR8 warranty. Stick with the official option for peace of mind. This battery is sold as a servicing part, intended to keep your existing DXR8 video baby monitor running smoothly. It's the perfect solution for a worn-out battery. What we like. This is an official replacement battery designed exclusively for the original DXR8 model. Using official accessories ensures your warranty remains intact. If your original DXR8 monitor's battery is no longer holding a charge, this is the safe and reliable solution. What people say. The formula is easy to digest and has helped with my baby's spit up. My baby transitioned to this formula smoothly, and it seems to agree with her stomach. This formula has a good nutritional profile and is a reliable choice for supplementing breast milk. Number 1. Infant Optics DXR8 Wide-Angle Lens. Introducing the wide-angle lens for your DXR8 monitor. It offers an expansive 170 degrees panoramic view, capturing the entire room. This accessory is ideal for energetic babies and toddlers. Let them play and explore freely while you keep an eye on everything. Attaching this lens to your camera unit takes just seconds. It's a simple upgrade for enhanced monitoring. Crafted with multi-layered glass and housed in aluminum, it ensures improved performance and durability. This lens is designed to work perfectly with your existing Infant Optics DXR8 monitor. What we like. This accessory expands the viewing capabilities of your DXR8 camera with a 170 degrees panoramic view. It's perfect for keeping an eye on energetic toddlers who are exploring their surroundings. If you have an active baby or a larger play area you want to monitor comprehensively, this wide-angle lens is a great addition. What people say. The formula is easy to digest and my baby tolerates it well. This formula is a great alternative for breast milk when needed. My baby experienced fewer digestive issues after switching to this formula. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.